Now let's fix some issues with the Dropbox folders. So first we're going to look at the date restrictions on the Module 1 assignment, which is to write a letter about copyright resources. So I'm going to go to the Dropbox tab and look at the write a letter about copyright resources. And we see that it's tied to a grade item already. Let's go ahead and edit it. And this activity happens during the first week of class. And so let's go ahead and set the restrictions on it. So we're going to make it available on the first day of class at midnight, earliest possible minute in the morning. And then we're going to make it be due at the end of the first week, which is the 12th at 11:59 p.m. And we're going to leave it open for submissions, for late submissions, all the way until the end of the class, which is 12:19 at 11:59 p.m. So that should be it for this. Now, our second assignment, the copyright scenarios, we have to link this to the item in the gradebook. So let's go to right here, grade item, and we're going to link this to copyright scenarios. This is marked as being worth 15 points, so let's make sure that's actually correct. The scenarios discussion is worth 10 points, and the scenarios document is worth 15 points, so those match. And so that's done. We'll just save. And we also want to fix the availability of this, so set some date restrictions. Now, since this one starts at the second week of class on May 12th at 12:00 a.m., and the due date is actually the last day of class, so it doesn't really make sense to have separate due dates and end dates. So we're just going to set the end date here to be the last day of class, and we'll set 11:59 p.m., so the last minute of the last day, and we can save and close. So now if we look at our content folder, we see that both the copyright scenarios activity has due dates marked, and the write a letter about copyright resources also has the correct due dates marked.